Quickstart ART Launch is really a response to a number of implementations that Value Glide and the other partners have done, and then finding out, oh, okay, so we should have done this first, or we've just launched a train, but we didn't prepare the content as well as we should have done, so we just jumped into delivery. And then as a result of all of those things, we now have a much better understanding. And what we're saying is that, there is a degree of preparation is required. You will never know everything, and you don't need to have everything sorted out, but you need to have enough of the foundations that you can start and you can learn and do better and better and grow as you do the work. If you just jump into the delivery, you get into, well, confusion, and also you're working on you deliver stuff, but it's the least valuable work. So that's one of the things that is there to stop people happening. So I've seen this many times in organizations, whether they're using SAFe or not. The bigger the organization, the more of a delivery partner network they have. They have people who develop and test the software, and then they engage them. And then the question comes back, feed me, feed me, feed me. And because they haven't had enough time to decide on what is the valuable product, they just give them work to do to keep them busy. And that's fair enough. They're busy, but they're not actually delivering real value, because the stuff that is easy to give are usually the low risk stuff. It's basically what we've done before, just make it a little bit better, or, move the button from here to here. Or whereas where we want to get to more innovation, more products that are riskier, the rewards is much higher. But we need to have thought about them. We need to have decided what market are we going for? How big a market is it? What is the problem that this, the customer has? And does our solution even address it? How would we know that is addressing it? All of those things are what we do in the Quickstart ART Launch preparation to say, okay, what is the problem we're trying to solve? What are the measures which tell us how we're going to solve it? Who are we solving it for? All of those questions that will force us to think, and rather than just say, let's go and launch, get some training and launch an agile release train. Well, yes, we can do that, but there's also sometimes, most of the time, there's a better way of doing it.